Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Excel in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to merge columns and rows in Excel, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To merge cells in Excel, first of all, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you're on Excel, create a new worksheet or open an existing one where you want to merge the cells. I am going to merge these selected cells in this worksheet. Now, select the cells you want to merge by clicking and dragging over them. For example, you can select 2 or more cells in a row, column, or even a rectangular range. I am going to merge these selected columns and place the text at the center. Once the cells are selected, go to the top menu bar and click on the Home tab. In the Alignment section, you'll see a Merge and Center option. Click on it to merge and center, which combines the selected cells and centers the text. Once selected, the cells will become one single cell and the text will be centered. You can use it for headings or formatting sections in your worksheet.